So cool.
B18C. 타입R을.
Taking a look under this car right here. Got some nice spoon calipers too. You can smell the brand new fresh paint. Everything smells like paint in all these shops. But that's why the cars always be looking fresh. It's crazy being under one of these right now. Dang. Yeah, so that's the J's fender, but it's got the side marker in there. And the harness is like running inside. This one got camber kit up there too. Check out this ducting. Looks like for the intake. And then we have a ducting here from the tow hook down all the way to the brakes. Work in progress. Got solid motor mount in there. Looks like the engine bay is racing gray. Whoa. Shinkansen. So you got bumper cuts here, another tow hook in the back, and it looks like kind of exhaust. Oh, Jay's Racing. And then we have this back here. I think this is just a work light, but look at how it's bolted up. They got it zip tied to the sway bar. That's interesting. Not bad. Not a bad work light situation there. Yeah, so this thing's got a full J's Racing exhaust all the way down to a test pipe. The folks here are working on a car outside, so we're just gonna let them do their thing. But while we're here, oh, check this out. So this thing's got a hose clamp to hold the, there you go. Hose clamps are holding the exhaust hanger bushings in place. So these don't tear off and fall down on the track. But check this out too. This is also really cool. It's got a heat shield covering the gas tank. So just little details like this. It's so cool. Ingenuity everywhere you look on this thing. But definitely will be interesting to see what this car ends up looking like when it's all done, because they put some seriously cool stuff together. Hey, check out these hoods that are hanging on the side of the shop here. This silver and purple one sitting in the corner there, I'm gonna guess that that's from the Kanjo King EK9, judging by the colorway with the purple and silver on it. I'm a little starstruck. Just the hood got me in the feels right now. It's amazing. This is cool. So they have a B18C just chilling right here. No big deal. You know, like it's not rare or anything like that. But it's got a new paint going on here. Yeah, you can see a legit B18C. And let's walk around this backside over here because I want to show you guys this. Check out this oil cooler on the back. A little oil cooler situation going on here. So I'm guessing that these run to some sort of cooler line. I think that's like, is that an oil cooler? Okay, I might have to be corrected, but I don't know. It looks cool just because I can see it. Like, yeah, okay. So we just figured it out. It is an oil cooler. And so basically you would be taking off this bolt right here that holds on the sandwich plate. This would come off and then you'd be able to put this. I have no idea what brand oil cooler this is, and I'm glad to know that they exist out there for a B series. But yeah, just taking a whole lot of notes here because there's a lot to learn. Another look at the front and we can see the oil cooler. So I wonder if that plumbing, there's the plumbing. I wonder if that would route to that oil cooler we were just looking at on the back of that motor. Assuming that motor's even for this car. This is a must out here. Or else you get big. Oh, look at that. Yeah, that is. So they actually have their own coilover brand on there too. Yeah, is it a real carbon fiber intake manifold? And the fuel rail too? What is this? Prackworks? Do we even have that back at home? Prackworks?
Did you say Crackworks?
No, I said Prackworks. Relax. checking out this subframe in this EG6. It's crazy. Cindy's car had a crack in the same exact spot, but what they did here is they repaired it. So I'm trying to find out more about what this is, as far as like, you know, what breaks it and how you fix it, because stuff that we'll have to do when we get back home. Too. Yeah. It's all, the whole back end's like blocked off. It's got like a whole fuel cell in there or something. Oh, the brake lights are on, I think. Oh man. Look at tow hook. And a center exit too. That's crazy. Osaka definitely knows how to build Civics, guys. If you love Civics, this is the city to go to. Oh, check this out. The intake, you can see it going inside there. It's got a whole thing like blocked off for the intake. Like nice and well clean in there too. Super cool. And of course, you gotta have the grippy boys. 215 50R15s. But in the back, what is it in the back? Oh, 195 55s? It's staggered. That's cool. Oh, dude. All right. All right, you guys. Well, that was pretty much our visit out there to MECHA-DOCK, Osaka. So, just had ourselves a really good night with them. Super nice people, super hospitable, and all I can do is just wish them the best on everything they do. So, anyways, we did learn a lot as far as just kind of picking their brains, learning a little bit more about the story, learning where the name MECHA-DOCK comes from. MECHA-DOCK is like a mechanic, and then dock is like a shipping port. So it'd be like the car's return. There was also like about the rising sun in reference to that too. So that was really fun to learn about. But yeah, domo arigato, mairo arigato gozaimashita. さあこの時めっちゃ楽しいな。My Japanese is terrible. But anyways, we got a lot to do today, and we're still in Osaka. So that's it for now. Stay tuned. Bye bye.